A deactivated rewarded play account usually can't be restored by reinstalling the app because account status is tied to the account itself, not the copy of the app on your phone. By the end of this video, you'll know why an account may be deactivated, what you can do to recover it, and what actions to avoid while the issue is being reviewed. Here's the first thing to do. Don't create a new account. If your original account has been deactivated, opening another one can make the situation more complicated and may interfere with the recovery process. Next, check your email for any message from Rewarded Play. If your account was deactivated, you may have received an explanation or instructions for contacting support. Also, check your spam and promotions folders in case the message was filtered there. If you didn't receive an email, contact Rewarded Play support through the official support channel. Include the email address connected to your account, your device model, and a clear description of what happened. Mention when you first noticed the deactivation, and whether you received any error messages. While waiting for a response, avoid uninstalling and reinstalling the app repeatedly. That usually doesn't change your account status because the account information is stored on the service, not only on your device. It's also worth reviewing the app's rules and account requirements. Accounts can sometimes be restricted if the system detects activity that doesn't meet the platform's policies. If you believe the deactivation happened by mistake, explain that clearly in your support request and provide any information that supports your case. If you've recently changed phones, reset your device, or signed in with a different account, verify that you're trying to access the correct Rewarded Play account. A login mistake can sometimes look like a deactivated account when it's actually the wrong account being used. Keep your message to support clear and organized. Explain the problem. List the troubleshooting steps you've already tried, and avoid sending multiple support tickets for the same issue. One detailed request is generally easier for the support team to investigate than several separate messages. The most important thing is to wait for an official response before assuming your account is permanently unavailable. Only the Rewarded Play support team can confirm why an account was deactivated and whether it can be restored. The key points are simple. Don't create a new account. Verify you're signing in with the correct account, contact support with complete information, and wait for their review before making additional changes. Your next step is to gather your account details and submit a clear support request if you haven't already done so. If this guide helped you understand the recovery process, like the video, and subscribe for more Rewarded Play troubleshooting guides, tutorials, and reward app tips.